In 2.6b, we'll be working on some examples of translating English phrases to algebraic expressions. Let's take a look at some of those examples. In the first case, we have the sum of twice a number and 1. So we just begin. So with a number, we know to replace all of that. Since we don't know what that is, we'll replace that with x. So we've got twice a number, so that would be twice x. So now all of those words, twice a number, we can replace with 2x. And then we're looking for the sum, which tells us addition. And where does the addition sign go? It goes where the word and is. So we have 2x plus 1. Okay. Also, one thing I'm going to put out, on either side of the word and, you'll see what it's referring to is twice a number, 2x, and 1. So that's how we get 2x plus 1. In the next one, twice the sum of a number and 1. So let's go here. We can replace that with x. Then we see, oh, x and 1, what's the operation going on there? Sum. So the sum tells us that we're adding, and we're going to place the word and with adding. So far we've got x plus 1. It's this and 1. Then it says twice the sum. So the sum is x plus 1, and twice all of that is 2 times x plus 1. Do you see the difference between these two? In the first case, what are we multiplying by 2? Just the x. It was just twice a number. But in the second case, it's twice the whole thing, twice the whole sum, so that's why we need the parentheses. Okay, oh, you know I was going to get less than in here. So let's evaluate this. A number, that's x. There's the word and. I look back, see what the operation is. It's product, which indicates multiplication. So we can replace the whole word and with multiplication. What's on either side? The number, which we called x, and 4. So far we have 4x times 4, and then 3 less than that, so we know we're going to go this way, and that would be minus 3. That's fine, but I'm going to always write my term with a variable with the coefficient in front, so that's even better. The product of 7 and 4 less than a number. Okay, so we've got the word and. What's the operation referred to here? Well, it's product, so we're going to replace the word and with times. And what's on either side of the word and? On either side of the multiplication, we've got 7, and we've got, ooh, a big long phrase, 4 less than a number. So we know we've got all of this, so we're going to have to do a little bit of work with this 4 less than a number. A number, what can we replace that with? X. 4 less than that would give us x minus 4. So now we've replaced all of this 4 less than a number with x minus 4. So the product of 7 and the whole thing, x minus 4. And final example, 4 less than, another less than, the product of 7 and a number. Okay, so we know we've got the word and is going to be replaced with what operation? That's our clue, product, so that's going to be and. What's on either side? 7 and a number, so that is 7 and x. So I'm just going to write that down. The product of 7 and a number is 7x. We've done that so far. So all of the words that I'm underlining here can just be summed up with 7x. And 4 less than that, we know to just subtract 4 from that. Okay, I hope that helps. And one thing that I would suggest, after you write something down in algebra, go back and read the problem in English and see if it makes sense. What you've written in math is the same thing that was written in English. Okay, I think we are finished with section 2.6.